Okay, so we are good with the recording now. So, uh, so let me start you first telling what is structured query language. Okay, so yesterday I have explained you that what is the database. Okay, okay. So, and but I didn't mention what is a SQL in general terms. So let us start it from the beginning, so that we can clearly identify each term. Okay, so and at the last of today's class we will have we will see practically how we will create the database on your system. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So let me proceed. So what is a database? like Likewise, yesterday I represented one medicare one medicine shop example. Remember, if you remember, I have the presentation, I have the my whiteboard with me, so that uh, let me open this so that it will be very clear to you that what I am going to explain. So what is a database? Till then it opens, let me explain you. A database is an organized collection of data. Means, likewise I said, raw facts. Remember, facts and
Yes, sir.
facts are something which are recorded incident, right? but
Yes, sir.
but data is raw facts, right? Means recorded incidents of one type is a fact, recorded incident of another type is a fact. Means recorded incident of news is a fact, recorded incident of a sports is a fact, recorded incident of music is a fact. But so all these three are raw collections, right? So these raw collections are known as data. And data in organized collection is known as database. Okay, so the database management system is basically a storage, right? Is basically a storage
Yes, sir.
or a medium, and a medium which is a storage which acts as a medium to carry data from database and user. Database is a storage, and database management system is a medium. Okay, management system, it is a system, right? It is a process which carries, which interacts you from storage to user interaction. Okay, okay. Storage to
Yes, sir.
user interaction. So let me, okay, right? So this is a database, and see, you are querying something. So you will query from your system, and it will hit the database, and the desired result is carry is returned to the user. That was DBMS. That what is DBMS acts. Okay, so let me so suppose this is a database and you are a user. Okay, so you just put a SQL you just put a SQL query, and that what's a SQL comes in. You put a SQL query, and here database is there, and database will read the SQL queries. Okay, and will return the result to the user in desired tabular format. What is a tabular format? Means rows and columns. Rows and columns. Rows and columns. Vertical lines are called columns. Okay, vertical lines are called columns, and horizontal lines are called rows. You might have read in matrix in your 12th class. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me proceed. How many types of DBMS there are? So basically, we have four type of DBMS there. Okay. First is hierarchical DBMS. Second one is network DBMS. third one is relational DBMS, and fourth one is object oriented DBMS. We will focus on relational DBMS. Okay, rest three are generally we don't focus on our course. We will see only the relational DBMS in this course. Okay, so far you have understood what is a database. Let me repeat it one more time, that a database is a storage area or in where you store your data in a organized manner. Okay, database is a storage area. You can consider it as a container where you store your data in a organized manner in the form of tables. Okay, and what is a DBMS? DBMS is just a concept. Okay, is a concept, is a medium, is a not a concept, it is a medium which carries data from your storage area, means the database, to the user, and vice versa. Okay, and vice versa, means it is a two-way communication, right? User to DB, DB to user. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is a SQL, right? So SQL, as per this diagram, I have already told you that there should be an interaction. Suppose, let me tell you that here is a man, here is a man which is from India. Okay, here is a man from India, and here is a girl from Uganda. Okay, Uganda. Okay, he wants to share some information with this girl. Okay, okay, some information, some mathematics, so not mathematics, some topic, any topic, any English topic, or any math, any chemistry topic, or any physics topic. He wants to share some results with this girl, but the problem is that this guy knows only Telugu, Telugu, right? And this girl only known as the native of Uganda language, native Uganda language, native language of Uganda. Okay, so can you imagine he can interact with this girl, or this girl can
No, sir.
interact with this? Can you imagine? Is there any way?
No.
Obviously not, right? So how can they interact? How can they interact? Any idea? How can they interact?
There should be any common language that both should know.
Exactly. There should be any common language. Suppose the common language is English. Suppose the common language is English, and this guy knows English, and this girl have learned English with 3 months course, 3 months course, so that normal English they know, right? So they can now communicate. SQL is that only. See, the storage area stored in the form of bytes, right? Stored data in the form of bytes. Okay, and the user pass the information in ASCII code, right? In the from the keyboard, it converts into something ASCII code, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Or some system, some what machine language or something, whatever it is, it is converted into, I think it is converted into ASCII language. I'm not sure. I have to see that what in
ASCII
what
language only, sir.
ASCII
We
language.
had one subject. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So user can't directly pass ASCII language because it is too much tough to handle, right? So okay, just Okay, just uh, just give me a minute.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
pause the video. Okay, so so
Can you please give 1 second, sir?
mhm. Okay, let me pause again. Okay, so you have now understood the common language problem, why SQL is used, right? So SQL
Yes, sir.
is used because it is a common interaction language between database and user. Okay, so that is, and
Yes, sir.
how it is written is shown here. Okay, so it is SQL allows user to create database, add data, modify and maintain data, right? So, and here it is the way it is written. Okay, the way, sorry, no, how the table looks like, this is the way. These are rows, these are rows. Okay, horizontal are rows and these are columns. This is the table. This is an employee relation, employee table, in which these are called, the horizontal are called columns and the vertical, sorry, verticals are called columns and horizontal are called rows. Okay, I will come to that, what is an attribute and what is a record. I will come to that. Okay, so SQL, basic SQL syntax and query looks like this, is terminated by a call, means whatever you write query or any command, just put a semicolon at the last. Okay, any SQL command, just put a semicolon at the last. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this will I will come to in the next few classes. I will come to that, how, what it is, and how it is done, how it is written. So do you know about data types in any language? Java, C, C++, any language.
Yes, sir.
So what do you understand by a data type?
Basic building blocks of the program, data types.
Ah, that's
In C we have
that is
primitive,
uh,
non-primitive.
so why data type is used? My question is, why data type is used?
To for the categorization, sir.
Correct, correct. For the categorization of the data, right? Suppose
Yes.
you have, suppose you have some data, some some cricket data. Suppose Virat Kohli hit 98 runs, right? Right, 98 runs. Okay, so in this um line, how will you categorize each and every word? Let us see one by one. Virat is one word, Kohli is one word, hit is one word, 98 is one word, and runs is one word. Okay, so in the data type, you might have read about varchar or string, right? So string and
Yes.
varchar are same. So this is a varchar. This is a varchar. This is a varchar, and 98. It is an number type. Okay, number type. I will tell you what it is written, integer, number. I will tell you letter. Okay, and runs
Yes.
is a var, right? So, and tell me, tell me, Abhi's Abhi grade, Abhinav means Abhinav grade is A. Can you categorize these four lines, these four words, these four?
Yes, sir. Abhi is one categorization, grade is another, is another categorization, and A will be another. Work are all are.
where but this is char. Char and
Yeah.
where have slight difference. Though char,
Yes, sir.
though you can write where, right? But where
Yes, sir.
is for a word, okay? And this is a single digit, single not digit, single character. So character will have char. Okay, we will see once we do practicals. We will see one by one. Okay, so this is a boolean type, true false. In every language you read true false. Integer you read integer. Numeric or decimal character or float character you read as this one. Okay, operator I will
Yes, sir.
come to that. So ddl command. Okay, so ddl command, what is the ddl command? Ddl command is
Data
basically,
definition language.
yeah, that's exactly. But what does it do? What does ddl command do? ddl is basically ddl is basically a used to create, means it's a structure type, definition language. Okay, definition. Definition means creating structures, creating structures, creating or removing structures. Means at the structure level you are making any changes or alterations or creation or removal of that, you are using ddl. You are creating or removing, right? You are creating or removing. Either you create something or you remove something, right? These these you will do na. These you will do, these only two things you will do. Either you will create or you will remove, right? Either some creator is there or some destructor is there, right? So this is, these two are a structure level command. And that structure level command is known as definition language. So you have five ddls are there. What five ddls are there? Create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. Create is for creating tables, views, indexes, procedures, functions, and many more. Okay, in database. Okay, did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alter is, then as per name suggests, it's for alteration of tables, views, procedures, and many more, and all. Drop is for dropping the tables, means physically structure, with the structure you can drop the table, views, and procedure and anything. Truncate is something different from drop. Truncate is to remove all the records but not structure at once, right? Right, from DDL. And it is a DDL because it hit the structure. It is not the it doesn't modify a structure, but it hit the structure. It at once, in one go it will truncate the table. In one go it will empty the table. It's for empty the records. Okay, and rename, as per name suggests, you can rename the table. Okay,
So drop.
drop will vanish your table, vanish your database, anything vanish. Means after that you will not find your table if you drop the table. But truncate you will find the table but not the records. Truncate will empty the records but not the table will still be there. But drop will drop will remove everything from your database, everything you from your structure, everything. Drop will remove the structure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and rename, as per suggest, will rename the command, rename the table or database or something else. Okay, dml dcl I will come later, it's not part of this class. So create database, as per, as I suggested, that data definition language under SQL, create keyword is used to create database and tables. So you will create database name. Okay, create table we will see tomorrow. but today we will see how to create a database and how to drop a database. All right, so can you please share your screen so that I can directly show it on your screen? Just share
Yes,
your
sir.
screen. Okay, so now go to start menu. Start menu. All right, now in the all programs, go to and search MySQL workbench. Yeah, just right click on my, or just wait a minute. Don't open, cross it. Or do one thing, do one thing. Just go to the taskbar, and on the MySQL workbench, right click on it. I want to make it on taskbar.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, right click on it.
Mhm.
Just pin to start. Okay, now just go to start menu. Now you can see the icon of MySQL workbench in start. Now just right click on it. Now pin to taskbar, and now you will see at the taskbar, you will always see it on your taskbar. Okay, so on your taskbar, go to your taskbar and click on it. Taskbar
Yes,
means,
sir. Oh,
WhatsApp and Teams. On the right hand side of your Teams, it is there. Now it will be there only, don't worry. It will not. Yeah, just click on it. So now it has been opened. So just click on local instance MySQL 80, the root. Just click on MySQL. Yeah, yeah. Now it will open. Now show databases. Run that command. Show databases and put a semicolon. Try to put semicolon on your. It is a practice, right? Just do that practice every time. Can you please control and scroll up so that it will be visible more? Control plus scroll up so that it is visible more.
yes, sir.
No, more, some more. Control plus, just scroll
Yes,
upward.
sir. Yes, sir.
Press control,
Yes, sir.
and on your from your mouse, scroll up.
It's not taking.
It's not taking. Okay, no issues. Can you on the right hand SQL addition, can you scroll, do it slight big.
Which one, sir?
This snippet, whatever it is on the right side. Can you can you
This one.
can you resize your query editor, something. On the right side, right side.
This
Not on,
one.
not on the left side. Yeah, yeah, just pull it on the right side. Yeah, 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 just pull it on the right side. Right side pull. You are doing right. You are doing it correct. Just pull it on the right side.
Yes, sir. It's not taking only.
Just press, just click it and can you if I do have any.
Sir, no. See, once you see.
Yeah, 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 just pull it on the right side, not left side.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, yep.
1 minute.
Till then I pause the video. So you go to view, you have done hide secondary, go to view. So what you have done, you have done view,
Hide
panel,
secondary sidebar.
panel, just go to panel and hide secondary sidebar. Okay. Okay, so now just press control and plus sign to increase your
Yes, sir.
did it, does it does, yeah, yes, yeah, great. Now just, now you see at the query, when where it is written query 1, right? The notebook, uh, the notebook is named as query 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see that, can you see that?
Query 1.
The notebook name is query 1.
Yes, sir. Here.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
no, that is not query 1. The notebook name is query 1. Can you see that?
No.
Why no? Because the query 1 is, um, just let me share my screen and you will see that.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. I'll start my server. Just let me share my screen to you so that you can see it fine. So I'm not using SQL Server, I'm using XAMPP. Okay, so I'm starting my MySQL. Okay, and here my MySQL is has been started. Okay, so now I will open my MySQL workbench. So I will go to my start menu and I will start my MySQL workbench. Okay, so 50 minutes it has been. Just let me quickly finish all these things. So today's class was quite long. Okay, so let me add MySQL connection name. I will create SQL English, SQL English. Okay, so and test connection. So continue anyway, successfully made my connection. Now I will do okay. So it is SQL English. You can see my connection is there. Okay, can you see that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now I will start SQL English by clicking it. Now it will open the SQL English. Okay. Now in this case, I will just just maximize the things, and you can see this is query one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is query one. On the left hand side, you can see that different databases are there. What you have made, not the system has provided you. You are not seeing currently because system, you have not created any database. Okay, so now I will create one database. So the command is create database, and the database was previously what we have seen is what we have seen, medical store, medical shop,
Medical shop.
medical shop. Okay, medical shop. This was our database what we saw yesterday to be created. Now once I press, now how can you run this? The first way to run is select these things and click on this one, execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. Okay, another way of running is just select and use this. So use the selected portion of the script or everything if there is no selection. If you don't select anything, it will run everything written in the notebook. Or if you select these things and press this one, it will execute this one. Okay, and the third one is press control plus enter. Press control plus enter from your keyboard, from your keyboard. I prefer control plus enter only rather than going to click anything. Okay, so I press control enter and my database will be created at the instant. Create database is now success. This green sign will show that it is success. Now I will refresh the schemas. Schema is database, don't confuse with name. Schema or database both are synonym of each other, both are same. Okay, in some
Yes.
database management system like Oracle, it is known as schemas, and in MySQL workbench it is known as database, or you can say schemas as well. Okay, so now you can see that medical shop is there you have no tables. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
if you want to drop database, pass the command drop database medical shop. Okay, so but I'm not going to drop. You want to comment, just press two dashes. Okay, just press two dashes and it will not run now. Nothing will be executed, right? Nothing will execute. If you want to show the database, what is the all database available in your system, just press show databases bases. Remember the command show databases, it not database. Create database, but when you show the database, it is databases, not a database. If you pass database, it will show you error. So database is not a command. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Why it is okay? So show databases, you will apply, you will run it, and why it is not showing? I'm so database is not a command. So show databases, when you see and just run it, it will show the database, and here your medical shop is there. If you drop your database, if you drop your database, if you drop your database, just press drop database medical shop. Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
and now you can see that the database medical shop has been removed. All right,
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to comment, just press control plus slash and the line will be just select it. Control plus slash
Slash.
forward slash,
Okay.
just select it, and control plus slash will uncomment and comment the things. Okay, these are some tricky ways. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I hope this is clear to you. I will suggest, can you please here and create one database to me, just quick demo. And
Yes, sir.
I'm stopping recording now because it is too much lengthy. So after that you can show me how you create.